Hello everyone, Jorge Huertas once again with all of you. Today I'm gonna show you what is design thinking 24/7. This video is also available in Spanish. Well, this is a video very special. Today I'm gonna show you the structure of this project and how it works. As I was saying, my name is Jorge Huertas. I'm an industrial designer, graduated from University Tadeo here in Bogota, Colombia. I'm also a master in product development focused on design thinking and agile methodologies from Swinburne University of Technology in Melbourne, Australia. My professional experience is I'm a professor, I'm also a consultant in innovation, and I'm a writer. The things that I love to teach, and I'm a dreamer, especially because I want to improve and make a better world. One of the things that I always ask myself is how to promote change. And I always think that education is the main thing. If you have good quality education, you have the opportunities to make something great. I believe that entrepreneurship it's very important that you can develop your own business. And of course, it's very important to motivate. One of the things that I always want to do is create something by myself and have like my quote to make something different in the world. So how did the project came out? The first thing is that there are a lot of things that motivate me day by day. And one of the things is that I like to share what I know. And the thing is that if you're a professor in a university, your reach of people is quite limited. It's just your students. So I thought that I could share with more people. I want to promote entrepreneurship. So I start like developing a couple of objectives. I want to develop a service. That service has to be focused on educate people about agile methodologies, especially design thinking. And that project work if I give the tools to the people so they can develop their own thing. So I start developing a benchmarking to know what was out there. And I construct my own value proposition. I say the service that I want to make, it has to be free. It has to promote self-management for of the users on all the people that watch the videos. It has to be focused on education, but high quality education. It has to promote agile methodologies and design thinking. So I noticed that YouTube it's a network that work worldwide. So I start thinking how I could create videos on YouTube to promote it also as well in social media in all the networks that we got. And that's how Design 24/7 was made. It's called Design Thinking 24/7 because I'm thinking 24/7 in agile methodologies and design thinking. What is this? This is an educational project that self-management, the possibility to create your own business and develop your own project. The characteristics are that promote and foment design thinking and agile methodologies. I develop educational videos, different kind of videos. I have tutorials. They are around between 3 and 8 minutes, conference between 20 and 60 minutes, and there are a couple of interviews that I have made during the years. At the beginning, I was thinking just to make 30 videos a year and make 2 seasons. But because all of the people start talking to me and say, hey, we really like what you're doing. Can you make more of this? Can you make more of that? So I start developing more videos. At the beginning, the seasons were just of 15 videos, now are of 16. And thinking of that, at the beginning, the project was just in Spanish because that's my language. But because I live in Australia, I love Australia and I speak English, I start developing the videos in English as well. So on Monday, we always have videos in Spanish. On Thursday, we got videos in English. But we also are in Instagram, in Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Facebook, and over there, we got a special content that I develop to promote and teach different kind of stuff that are also very important. And all the credits of the project are mine. One of the things that is very nice to happen is when people start writing. At the beginning, I just thought that this was just for my students and maybe a couple of two friends. But it has been growing so much, and every time we get more nice comments and people share our videos and promote my channel and all the things that have been happening, it has been very nice. So every time that you share and you leave us a nice comment, it's very regarding that because I really appreciate it. What is the projection of the project nowadays? The first thing is that we got two alliances right now, both with portals that promote design thinking, but I'm always looking for new opportunities to develop new alliances. So if you got something that you want to share and you want to promote our content, just write me and we'll see what we can do. The future of the project is to create more videos, but more videos, not just tutorials, also suggestions and things that I recommend. I want to reach more people. I want that design thinking 24/7 be a referent worldwide of innovation and that you can democratize knowledge. That is my main thing. I do this because knowledge is power. If we want to have a more equal society, I believe that not many people got the opportunity to go to study in a top 10 program of design worldwide. So I want to share that. I want that the knowledge will be anyone who want to can have it. So I want to democratize that. The quote that I made in the things that I create are based on knowledge is worthless if you don't share it. I strongly believe that in this world we need to share what we know. If we want to make a better world, we have to share it. The project will keep on working in education, in entrepreneurship, in give more tools and suggestions. Also promote self-management. That's very important. Sometimes if you want to be entrepreneurship, if you want to develop your own project, you have to have initiative. You have to make things happen. You cannot wait to see what's up. No, you have to go and see how you can make it. So that's why I'll do this. And it's also very important, and I believe that this channel guide the process of developing new things. The tips to create a new development that I give it to all of you are the following. First, don't do what everybody else does. That's very important. Many people try to copy, try to do the same thing that everyone else is doing. Don't do it. If you want to make something different, develop a benchmarking, create something, do things differently, but don't do what everyone else does. That is lame, and you will not succeed if you do the same thing that everyone else is doing. Second, search something you like and you are passionate about. Think of this. If you want to develop a project or if you want to develop a business, probably that will be your life plan. If you want to do that, you have to be aware that you really have to love what you're doing. So when you are looking for something, that is the main thing, something that you are passionate about, something that you really like. Third, develop an amazing value proposal. The first video that I did in Spanish and the first video that I did in English is the tutorial of how to develop your own value proposition. That it's very important because people all the time are trying to copy. Be original, be and create something different. It's very important to develop your own value proposal and make something different. If you don't know how to do that, please check the videos here in Spanish or in English, it doesn't matter, but check it and create something different. If you do the same thing that everyone else is doing, your business or your project will be fail. That is for sure. 4. Be constant and disciplined. Don't give up on any difficulty. That is very important. When you are developing something, when you are creating something new, the process will be hard. The process will take time. So, be entrepreneurship and develop your own project is not for everybody. If you don't have patience, if you give up very easy, this is not for you, and that's okay. You can go and find a job. But if you want to develop your own thing, that is extremely important. Finally, many people got very good ideas, but very few got the dedication and discipline to make it come true. That is the most important thing that I can tell to everybody. All the time, my students, my clients, they will always telling me really good ideas, and I say, awesome, go and do it. People don't have discipline. The majority, not everybody, but the majority don't have discipline. They think that just because you have a good idea, you will be successful, and that is very, very wrong. If you want to succeed, you have to have discipline, you have to be dedicated, and you have to be resilient with the situation. It doesn't matter what will happen, you can do it. There's something very important as well. Believe me, if beyond entrepreneurship and develop your own project will be easy, everybody else will do it. And not many people are successful with this. So always thinking that. Thank you very much. I hope this video will be a big help to all of you. I do this with a lot of love. I hope that now you understand the history that is behind this project. And I hope you like it. And I hope that you keep sharing all our content, follow us in all our networks. And I hope we will see you next time. Thank you so much.